In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs editable by anyone. This is a useful skill, especially when collaborating on projects or sharing documents with multiple people. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that you can follow along with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, navigate to google.com. This is the main gateway to all Google services, and from here, you'll be able to access your Google account and its associated applications. If you are not already signed in, you'll need to do so by locating the sign in button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials, type in your email address and hit the next button, then type your password and click next again to complete the sign in process. Now look towards the upper right corner of the Google homepage. You'll see a small grid box, often referred to as the Google Apps menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu with various Google services will appear. From here, select Google Docs to proceed to your document dashboard. Once in Google Docs, open the specific document you want to make editable by anyone. At this point, you'll see a blue Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to open the sharing settings for your document. When the sharing options menu appears, focus on the section labeled General Access. Initially, it might be set to restricted, meaning only people you've explicitly added can access the document. To change this setting, click on the drop-down and select Anyone with the link. This will allow anybody who has the link to view the document. However, to enable editing by anyone, there is one more step required. On the right side of the General Access section, you'll notice another drop-down that probably says Viewer by default. Click on it and change the permission level to Editor. By doing this, anyone with the link will not only be able to view the document, but also make edits. Finally, to share the document, click on Copy Link. This copies the sharing link to your clipboard and you can then share it through email, chat, or any other communication method you prefer. After copying the link, click Done. Now, anyone who receives this link will be able to edit the document. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Google Doc editable by anyone who has the link. This is a great way to facilitate collaboration and ensure that everyone involved can contribute seamlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if so, please like and subscribe for more useful guides. Thank you for watching.